Are you tired of Googling Excel function syntax every time you need to analyze data? Do you know the pain of staring at a broken VLOOKUP error? We've all been there. In this video, I'm going to teach you two of the most powerful functions in Excel step by step. I'll even give you my ultimate cheat sheet for free. But I'm also going to show you a secret weapon, a way to achieve the same results and more without memorizing a single complex formula. First, let's master VLOOKUP. It stands for vertical lookup, and its job is to find a piece of information in a table and bring it back to you. Imagine we have our order form here, and we want to automatically pull the price from our product sheet to order sheet based on the product name. Here's how we do it. We type equals VLOOKUP. The first part is the lookup value. That's what we're looking for. In this case, the product name in our order form. Next is the table array. That's our product table where the information lives. We select the entire table. The third part is the call index number. Which column's data do we want to bring back? Price is in the third column, so we type 3. Finally, range lookup. We type false for an exact match. Hit enter and boom, the price appears automatically. It's a fantastic tool for connecting data across sheets. Now, VLOOKUP is powerful, but it does have a small limitation. Its reference is based on the column number. If a colleague later adds a new column in your product sheet, say product image right after the name, our formula breaks because the price is no longer in column 3. VLOOKUP isn't dynamic. It relies on that static column number. Next, the if function. It is the decision maker of formulas. It checks a condition and then chooses between two outcomes. Let's say we want to calculate a commission rate. If the order is over $10,000, the rate is 10%. If it's over $5,000, it's 5%. Otherwise, it's 2%. With the if function, it's simple. We type equals if. If the order value is greater than 10,000, value if true is 10%. Then add another if function. Is the order value greater than 5,000? If so, value if true is 5%. For everything else, we can set the value to 2%. It checks each condition in order and stops at the first one that's true. It's incredibly useful for tiered pricing, status updates, and much more. The logic is clear inside the formula bar. But what if you wanted to do more than just return a value? What if, when an order is over $10,000, you wanted to show 3 extra fields for VIP shipping details? In Excel, that's not something a formula can do. The logic is trapped inside the cell. So we've learned two incredibly powerful functions. But we've also seen their limits. The logic is hidden in formulas. It can be fragile. And it's confined to the spreadsheet. This is the natural limit of a spreadsheet. But what if you could take that same logic and build a real, robust application with it? An app that works on mobile that your whole team can use at once, and where the logic is visual and unbreakable. This is where Jodoo comes in. Think of Jodoo as a spreadsheet-like database. It gives you the grid interface you already know and love. In fact, it supports most of the formulas you use every day, like sum, average, if, date functions, and text manipulations. If you know Excel, you already know how to use Jodoo. But here is the big upgrade. Unlike a static file, Jodoo transforms those rows and columns into powerful forms for data collection. You can send a link, and anyone can submit data from their phone. It's 100% cloud-based. This means real-time collaboration. No more emailing files back and forth. Your whole team works on the same version of data, securely stored in the cloud. You instantly get real-time dashboards to visualize your progress. Essentially, Jodoo turns your raw data into a fully functional business app to manage your entire workflow. Let's start with that VLOOKUP problem. Here are our two forms in Jodoo: order form and product information. In the order form, I want to select a product and have the price appear. Instead of a formula, I'll use a lookup field. I drag it onto my form. Now, I just configure it. First, I choose the form to link to, our product information form. Then I configure what fields will be displayed when we select products. Finally, I tell it what data to bring back. I tell Jodoo, when I select a product, automatically go fetch the price and the product image and fill them into these fields instantly. Then I click Complete. That's it. No formulas, no column numbers. Now watch. When I fill out a new order and select a product, the price and image instantly appear. And because we link the data, not a column number, you can add as many columns as you want to your product information. This will never break. No column counting, no REF errors, just clean, connected data. Now, what about that nested if logic we struggled with earlier? We want to show extra fields for big orders. In Excel, hiding cells conditionally is a nightmare involving macros. In Jodoo, we use field visibility rules. I go to my form properties and add a new rule. The condition is simple: when the order value is greater than 10,000. Then I choose which fields to show. I'll select the VIP shipping details and dedicated account manager fields. Now look at the live form. It's clean. But as soon as the order value is greater than 10,000, those extra fields instantly appear, ready for input. The logic is built right into the interface, not hidden in a complex formula bar. It's interactive, intuitive, and something a traditional spreadsheet simply can't do. Excel functions are powerful skills to have, which is why I prepare that cheat sheet PDF for you in the description below. But if you want to stop managing spreadsheets and start automating business, give Jodoo a try. It's free to start, and you never have to count column numbers again. Links to both resources are down below. Thanks for watching, and happy building.